Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. Did you face a frustrating 403 forbidden error while browsing on Google Chrome? It's like hitting a roadblock when you're cruising down the information superhighway. But fear not, because today, we've got your back. With our easy-to-follow steps, you'll be surfing smoothly on Google Chrome once again. So, what are you waiting for? Let's learn how to fix the 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. Refreshing the page can often fix browser errors. Ensure the URL is correct without any mistakes. Try accessing the page from another device to identify the source of the issue. Resetting your Wi-Fi router can resolve connectivity problems. Type date and time settings in the Windows search bar at the bottom left. In the time zone section, confirm that you've selected the correct time zone from the list and it aligns with your current location. Double-check that the time and date settings match the universal time standards. If these steps don't help you, then in the Google Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots of the menu at the top right. Click on the new incognito window to launch a private browsing. Try to open your website here in private browsing mode. Make sure that your Google Chrome browser is up to date. If not, then update it. You can also try to disable some extensions from the Google Chrome browser. Click on the three vertical dots of the menu at the top right. Click on the Clear Browsing Data. In the Advanced tab, select All Time from the Time Range drop-down list. Select all the checkboxes and click on the Clear Data button. By performing all these steps, hopefully, you can fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.